Welcome to a culinary journey through the vibrant flavors of Greek cuisine. Join us as we explore the Mediterranean delights that make Greek food so unique and delicious. Our journey begins with a visit to a bustling Greek market. The vibrant colors of fresh fruits and vegetables, the aroma of herbs and spices, and the lively atmosphere will transport you to the heart of Greece. Next, we venture into a traditional Greek kitchen, where skilled chefs demonstrate the art of preparing classic Greek dishes. From the careful selection of ingredients to the precise techniques, you'll witness the passion and expertise that goes into every dish. As we continue our culinary adventure, we find ourselves in a charming Greek taverna. The warm ambience, live music, and friendly conversations create the perfect backdrop for savoring traditional Greek dishes and experiencing the joy of Greek hospitality. No exploration of Greek cuisine is complete without a visit to a picturesque olive grove. The serene beauty of the olive trees, the golden hues of the olive oil, and the rich history behind this ancient ingredient will captivate your senses. Our journey takes us to a traditional Greek bakery, where the aroma of freshly baked bread and pastries fills the air. From flaky spanakopita to sweet baklava, you'll witness the craftsmanship that goes into creating these mouth-watering treats. To truly understand Greek cuisine, we must delve into its rich history and cultural significance. From ancient Greek feasts to modern-day traditions, the stories behind the food will deepen your appreciation for this culinary heritage. As our journey comes to an end, we reflect on the flavors and memories we've created. Greek cuisine is not just about the food, but also about the connections forged over shared meals. We hope this exploration inspires you to bring a taste of Greece into your own kitchen.